Hello student, how are you? Are you okay? In today's we are come back to learn the new lesson. In the last lesson we study about the transformations, and today we study about draw solid figures. For example, we have this figure. How can we see from top view and side view and front view? Look, if we look this figure from the top, we see this part 1, 2, 3, 4. So this shape is used for top view. If we look from side view, we look 1, 2, 3, 4 box. This shape is side view. If we look from front view, we looked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Behind this one we have another box. This shape from front view. I want to show you a video about this. Okay, now we start.
View of a three-dimensional object. Suppose we have 5 cubes here. So each cube has 6 squares or 6 faces. So let's say we arrange these cubes into a three-dimensional object in this way. So let us assume that this is the front view. This direction is looking the object from the front, and we can call this the front view. And the other direction, looking from the side, this side, we call this the side view. So this is the side view, looking at this direction, side. And finally, we have another angle called the top view. That means we are looking at the object from the top. So it will be looking from this direction. So this is the top view. And now we are going to check what is the shape of the three-dimensional object from the front view first. So we move the camera in this way. So this is the front view. That means we can only see 4 squares here. So these are the 4 squares. And what about the side view? The side view is looking from this direction. 3 squares. 1, 2, 3, 3 squares. And finally, the top view. So if you look at the object from the top, we can only see 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. So note that the top view is also aligned with the front view.
Now we solve the more questions. For example, there we have in A, B and C we have solid figures. Try it. Use cubes to bolt each figure on the grid paper. Draw each figure from the top, from the side and from the front. If we look for example A, we have this solid figure. How can we see from the top? From the top, if we looked, how many squares we can see? We can 6 squares. You can see 6 squares, student. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we look at this solid figure, we see 6 square. And if we look from side view, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we look from side view, we see 7 squares. And if we look from front view, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we see this part, we have 8 square, student. And if we look at question B, look at this solid figure. How can we see this solid figure? If we look from the top, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, this 4, 5, 6. So we have this solid figure. This solid figure, student. From the top we see this. We see from the side we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We see this figure. And if we look from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We see 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We see 6 squares. And if we look from the front view, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we look at this figure also, we see this shape, or we see the front view by this way. And if we look from question C, we have this solid figure from the top. How can we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 squares. And if we look from side view, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We see this shape. And if we look from front view, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, and this we have 4 square, student. And we have the more practices. This practice 1. If we looked, use the centimeter cubes to bolt each figure on grid paper. Draw each figure from the top, from the side, from the front. From the front, okay, and from the front. If we look at practice 1, we have how many squares from the top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. So we see 8 squares. And if we look from side, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we look from the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, we see 4 squares from the front. If we look there, so we have how many squares from the top? 1, 2, and there's 3. In the up to we have in the yes, we have 4, 5, and 6. We see 6 square. If we look from the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if we look from the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we see 6 square. And if we look at this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from the top, and we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the side, and we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the front. If we look at this, we have 4 square from the top, and 3 square from the side, and 4 square also for the front. And if we identify practice 5, we have identified the solid figure that has the given views. If we look at this, we can see from the top, we can see the circle. If we look from the front, we have a rectangle. For the side also we have a rectangle, so this one is a cylinder. And if we look at this, we have a rectangular prism. That's enough for this lesson, students. I hope to see you